Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an account with Indeed. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser and head on over to Google. Then once inside Google, in the search bar, type in Indeed login and then search, and then click on the first result. It will be indeed.com. So I'm in Australia, so it starts with AU, but if you're in a different region to me, it will start with something different. So go ahead and click on there, and then you'll come to this page here. This is the official website of Indeed. So ready to take the next step, create an account or sign in. So what you can do here is continue with Google, or if you don't have a Google account, you can put in an email address here to continue. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click on continue with Google. And now I'm going to click on Tutorial Wiz to sign up and log in. And now what it does, brought me to this page here. So what you want to do is scroll down. So you need to put in your phone number here. And then after that, click on Send Verification Code. Then after you've done that, just follow the step. Alright, I'm going to go get this code. There it is there. So I'm going to copy the code. Now I'm going to pop this into the verification code here, and then click on verify and enable. Let's try that again. Yep, there we go. And there you go. I've now logged into Indeed. Because I've got the app, it opened up the app automatically as well. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to create an account with Indeed. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.